Good morning. Today we are where, Sarah?
The dairy farm, and your hat can blow away, so that's why I brought this.
Oh, there's the Alice pen still in your hat. Okay. So you're at the dairy farm?
It was under my hat the whole time.
Oh, okay. And using a new camera, so let's see how that works out. Yeah! What are the ducks doing, Sarah? Hey? You can say hello. Hey?
And this is how you get a burned. And this is how you get a burned duck. You put a duck in the oven for too long. That's how you get
That's how you get a burnt duck, okay. Yeah, we'll call us just now. We're going to see just now, yeah. You'll get a chance to milk the cow.
Dad, will cows bite you?
I don't know. Let's find out. Let's go close.
Don't take your hand to the face. No. If you don't take your hand to...
You said what, Sarah? It's a giant beetle?
Yeah, there.
Wait. Oh, ooh, check it out. Tell me, Sarah. What does the cockerel do? What noise does he make? Oh, did you hear him do that now?
See?
Whoa, that was pretty good. Go for a swim.
Yeah.
Why not?
Because it's dirty.
So my brother tried to push me in already.
She stepped in poop.
That's
Oops.
okay. You got a poop shoe now.
Show me, Sarah.
How big
Show me
the
your shoe.
feather is.
Oh, poop shoe. Why would the cow say I don't know? That's something weird for the cow to say.
I'm not a cat.
Hello guys, thanks for coming to Kate's farm. How are you?
Good.
Good. Can anyone tell me what kind of elephant this is?
It's a
No?
cow.
No? How do you know it's a cow?
It's got horns.
Okay, clever. You're on your board today. What kind of cow is this?
A male.
Why do children always say black and white one? Every single kid says a black and well done, yes. Okay. It's a dairy cow. A dairy cow gives us? Milk. Okay, so mommies and daddies and teachers will know this. I'm going to see if I can trick you guys. It's an old trick, but let's see if it still works. Everybody say, milk, 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 milk. What do cows drink?
Water.
So before we do this, I want everyone to take their one thumb and put it upside down. You need your hand out your pocket, Boykie. There we go. Right. So take with the other hand, you're going to grab the top of your thumb and then squeeze and pull down. Squeeze, eh? Squeeze me like you want to try to pull your thumb off, like that. Okay. That's what we're going to do with the cow. And the others, alright?
Yeah.
Look at that. Okay, squeeze and pull down.
I am never touching that teeth again.
Yes.
Here we go, Sarah. Did you milk the cow, Sarah?
That was fun.
You don't want
Salt licks.
Salt licks! Do you think it's salty if I lick it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Lick it. Yeah, lick it.
Why do we have...
Wow. Cool, you got it, my boy.
Oh, it's too slimy.
It's too slimy.
Photos. Thank you for sharing that with us.
Wow.
It's always good to see tadpoles. So soon.
There's one too late.
Oh,
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm
Old MacDonald.
What do you think of my ostrich?
It's so fluffy. It's wild, so you don't want to.
It's a spotted eagle owl. So he uses his feet to catch.
What does it eat? Oh! So you're not. I love the fact that it's so long. No fault in it.
How's the milk? Good. Good milk, awesome.
Take a guess. As I tell you, his name is Albert.